If you're a beginner in trading, you need to hear this. Let's break down cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading is all about buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Think of it like the stock market, but instead of shares, you're dealing with digital coins. You buy low and sell high, aiming to make a profit. Simple, right? But here's where it gets exciting. Unlike the stock market, crypto trades 24/7, so opportunities are always knocking. But how do you know when to buy or sell? That's where Kohinoor free gold crypto Forex trading signals comes in. We provide real-time signals to help you make informed decisions on platforms like FP Markets, Vantage Markets, Okta FX Markets, Exness Markets, XM Traders Markets, and Ultima Markets. With our signals, you can track market trends, understand price movements, and optimize your trades. So, whether you're at home or on the go, Kohinoor's got your back. Ready to master crypto trading? Join us now and start trading smarter. Click the link below and get your free gold signals from Kohinoor today.